Bye. Hey. Hey. It's who can't woman. Divide. I must sit down. Hello, everybody. Good morning from here. I greet you according to your time. You are watching Endurance Okoro Reality TV. Baby! Eh? You are bringing it? Did you find it there? You didn't see it? Huh? Wait even more. Good, huh? I don't want to fly.
I said I was mixing it. It was too full.
That's why I was wondering if you can bring it for me. Hey,
Mommy,
Ipo.
if you drop your phone and packed 7 paper from inside
Jamie. I can do it. Okay, go share those two for inside house. Me, no share it with them. Come. What? Flies. Go and share them. You go the knock them. Coco. Eti agbe kwa o ti a. I do fear fly. I'm so Yoruba. I'm here later. Cover on. Let's fly. I'll come fly. I'll finish this one first. Can't give me a thing. Fly, no, she's talking. I don't like fly. I'll go inside car. Let me go inside car. Thank you. If they disturb me too much, I will go inside car. Go sit down. When we connect on. Right. Oh dear. Muele, hablado. Agora, fechamos. Doente. Me go ti me ya hara we ya tom me hara mo yin. Go away. Swank and swank. Oh, you want? I'll follow. Very good. Your flash. I tell you, sir, I pass it. Now, if you fly, put on my cup. That's everyone one cup. I just say well to do. Soccer with that. Fly, you know, if you touch my cup. Busy. Right from Africa. Me and fly, not the play. I'm not free to fly anything when they fly put. They lay egg. They'll lay egg, the egg after 2 seconds, it don't turn to worm. That's why every of my house I dey put net. We are not put net for my house for Africa, and only the kitchen where I go build for backyard. I say they put self. The door entrance no. Zip ya ina wiki here. Kala wa be mo gbe ijo. Like we small get. Our pencil to. How you make baby I see? Cause like a fashion. Bolo men gaya with a fashion gaya we never bow bolo. If I don't slim finish, now I'm going to drain. Yeah, what kalekwa 25 kilo to 30 kilo reduce. Do you say do you want do you musu the musu sono kusi sango me when you war oh you know what when you were there egbe ma fe yan egbe a ho to o ma Ebi na wo ne gbe akwi ma yin agbe kin ho. Bi o kegbe nu. Ku si sango na da pere ma ya cover. So it's I did blow you away, but because you're doing your post. You do your post, with that. If you're for, I use it. But when you white in young when I might you excuse me way. Look boy. I got Tommy sin. Why we like that? Oh, now I'm gone. Now I'm going again. Ilawa drinking. Wọ́n gbọ́n wà díndíndíndín. Bí àná wà wọ́ ẹgbà bànú àná ìgbé ní wà mú ẹ pò. Ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ní wà mú láì. Social media wé náà rà ìhí. Wé náà wà rà ìhí. Ìyẹn wà rà ìhí. Ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀. Kiwi keya ya wa ga bi hia ibi wa bolugo hia awe to no ro na awe to yezadi awe jage no awe to no ro owo gbigbilele owo jebe na ge budi no. They say the hair we dey for the gbola. They say the hair it be like thick forest. It be like Awolowo. Awolowo way overtake. Etiwoligi. Now so they say the hair way did the bola be. Now so they say it be cash. Hello, sweetheart. Hi, love. Hi. How are you doing, love? I'm good, love. Good to see you. What is in front of you? It's calabash. My darling, it's calabash. Calabash, you know, in the olden days, far back in Africa, we cut this, you cut here, you clean inside, you fill it with water when you are going to a long journey. You clean it proper, you clean inside, you remove all the seed. Take off all the seed, you fill it with water, cover it with some leaf of banana or plantain. The dry ones. Cover it with it. You pull rope. You hold it, you go with your journey. Journey, proceed. It helps because it can't get hot. The water on it resists heat. There is no way the water here gets hot. The water here remains very fresh and cold. You enjoy it. That is what I have here. I have all those also small ones of it. They are there. You understand? So, okay, understand. Old bottle, yes, it is. Why sometimes far back in my country, you can also cut it here. You make a form of plates. You can use it to eat. Use it to form a plate. Big as this is good. You can make 2 big bowl out of it. Or 3, if not so. You understand? Food to eat. Otherwise, also to fry cassava, to fry gari. Prince Obia again no more. Oh yeah. Call, where's he? Oh. How is everyone of your family? I hope you slept well. I hope everyone are good. So when my father was alive, we farm, and there is no farm my father don't plant this. My father plants this, and this, when the time of harvest comes, it's just like a pumpkin. When the time of harvest comes, we harvest it, while some people eat the seed inside also. Some people eat the seed inside. The seed, you break it, you blend it, you can drink it, and you can also use it to make soup. The calabash seed, yeah. I love it. I love seeing calabash because it makes me remember that's why I plant it. All this I plant it. So when they got dry, I have other 8 of it. Some are there. Okay, I'm coming. Huh? May use Africa old tradition. Yes, yes. Mommy, we just do okay. Bless your father's soul. Amen. Amen. Thank you, Cash. My love. Sweet seed. Yes. Sweet seed. The seed is very good, you know. You can break it, break the seed inside, remove it, or you eat it like that, or you just plant it. Replant it. Otherwise, blend it, use it to make a very sweet, delicious soup. It's good, you know. To me, I love olden days life. That's why you see me, if I want to act, I want to do my things as modern, no problem. But old times is what that give me joy. You never taken my all on. No, you wanted to say call. My all on WhatsApp. You mean your call, don't worry. Always avoid me. No, I don't avoid you, my darling. It's just because sometimes when I'm not on camera, I'm too busy. You see, since morning, I've been busy. I left home, me and my daughter, because today holiday. Call, yeah, okay. Me and my daughter, we left home around 4 o'clock in the morning. She come along, drove with me. We went very far away. From there, we stopped by here, there. You see, so if I tell you I don't pick call outside social live video, because I don't know who I'm talking to. I don't trust anybody, and I don't want that mistake. I can't. If I want to please you, can I please everybody? The only way I can please you is the one we are doing here. I can't trust people and betrayed myself. So early left home. Yes, I left home so early. I left home so early. So I'm sorry if I'm not picking your call. I'm not avoiding you, but it's not my thing. If I promise I'm going to answer you, it's not true. You understand? It's not true. Because I'm not here to chat or to respond to any call behind the camera. I'm just here. Anything we do here is just here. Because what are we going to say outside the camera? Nothing, actually. Nothing. Because I love you, you love me here. Outside the camera, you have your love. Outside the camera, I have my love. Nothing else we have to discuss behind the camera. So, just personal interaction. Yes, understand your personal belief. Okay. Because we don't know who is who. We are on social media. Many things happen. Many people, the social media of it, you don't know a scammer. Many scammers cause tears, make people shed tears, makes people cry. Many scammers are out there on social media just to give people, make people shed tears, make people to feel sad. I don't want to be a victim of that kind of people. I don't want to be a victim, because I'm not here to act stupid or to be silly, to be stupid. I'm here to focus and do what I like doing. just to do what I like doing. I like seeing myself, seeing you guys around me. We talk. When I'm doing everything of my life, I want it to be here. Apart from two things, family issue, or me and my boyfriend, we are having a wonderful time. No, okay. The rest other thing of my life is here. We are here. I want to carry everybody along. Except I'm in a place I cannot fix camera. Simple. In the office, it's okay. Like since morning, I was not able to hold camera. Understand? So, apart from that, we are together. We are together. I'm not here even to gossip others, just myself. I bring myself to social media, and we are here enjoying ourselves. If I feel like talking something concerning life, I talk. Concerning my people, my state, the way things are going, we talk. But I can't do it. I cannot betray myself. What I vow not to do, I can't go back to it. Because I hate promise and faith. If I start promising, say, no problem, don't worry, yes, this is that, it's a lie. It's a lie. As I'm here now, like, WhatsApp number is not with me here. It's inside. It's inside. Because I love the weather. Like, it's coming to rain, but I love the weather. Wow. Let me show you guys. You see? You see the weather here? My God. Rain, rain, go away. Come on, rain another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Come on, rain another day. Little children want to play. Why that other side here? You see that side? I think that other side are still good. You see it? You see? It's raining already in the other side of Roma. You see, this is the seaside. The seaside is very bad. You see? So, the weather is bad. What me? Mommy, where is Princess? She's inside. Mama is school and she didn't go to school today. She's inside. I think it's coming to rain. Oh, I mean, they are on holiday of Halloween, so that's why she didn't go to school today. Yesterday and today they didn't go to school. Hey, Abuin, it's on this thing. Oui. He miss say if you don't be Panadol, you don't feel be like Panadol. Let me try. I miss it already. Something I put since morning. Now I miss it. Let me see if I can get it back. Yeah. Oh. I get it back. Yeah, Rio Wapa. I'll go inside as man. But I love the weather because down here, if rain won't fall like this, my man dey farm. I go dey fear. I go dey wait. They look road. My man never come because the rain don't ready to fall. I'll just dey fear. And that thing still they do me. If I dey abroad here, rain dark like this, I want to dey outside. I want to be outside to see how the outcome of the rain. Until when I see that it's making bada. Because that year, if rain is coming like this, I will be scared. I have to wait for my mother. I will be checking roads. Mommy, you no cook today? I'll soon go cook. Me and my daughter, we are thinking of what to cook. Actually, my baby princess, Hungry day, oh my darling. Hungry day. Hungry day. The God will provide, okay? The God that considered the bird, flies around, flies, the ants. God that considered them, we also considered us, okay? So for me and her, we dey think we don't know what we go cook. Actually, we don't know. Time never reach. But I just do breakfast now. Me, I know the hungry now. She too. We are thinking. Meanwhile, when I know say I get something for car, when I never. I want to upload everything I get for car. Any I beg it not be more too. Wait. It not be more to that area. Yeah, I beg it won't go. I won't down or run no. Have you mentioned? You're not blocking no be more. But we are not be more to my blocking my way. Well, because this one the fee is not no address of my address. I wasn't. I won't done in my man. Right, we are sending him no mama Giomo. I think. Because me they not go post waiting no be and come my house. And they fear you want be water. Fear our people who never talked to me before now. If you just go post waiting, I don't know one. My boots not good though. No, you don't go for my boots not good. Because once you just press somebody address, number of the car, address, everything go just harakwa. Where the person live, everything. You go just come on. There is a app you download to get it. So I don't want that error. I don't want it because human being, many are there to make you cry. Many wicked ones. Oh well, our beautiful princess, good morning. Hey, Jelugbo, call man. Call. I'm not there for that side. How is every one of your family? My regards to them all. Okay? Bele. Oh, soccer where we are, oh, soccer where we are, oh. It be like my toilet that year for Uzebu quarter there. Get one time. When my pa, the toilet come the smell because tenants, both houses, we are using it. Toilet come the walls. And you see that canal, why did they just do me? Why keep that from me and tell you? Where you kidding? Sorry guys, I want to free my nose. Thank God, only Samegi, we're making, Betty, we're making. My nose is the leak. If I don't blow nose, I can say, I want buy. Because that nose, I must blow on. That's from my childhood. If my mama say, "Book cannot come out from my nose," my mama will say, "You're sick. You are home now. You are home." Because the way I did, for nose, my nose way they block. If I see on the block, come on, my mama will say, "Okay, go around when." Because if I don't free myself for my allergic problem, Hey, my man go dey fear because my lungs go block. You understand? My lungs go block. I want to come and join you now. Okay, my darling brother, come. Come, my darling. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. This car, the car fine high. Una know na Mr. Bushcott. I like the car. The high make box. Don't be car small car wey pere. First time of driving small car. Right from the one on my car na big car. First time of driving small car. Then this one na I'm not fit say my husband not try. We rush buy the car. When I don't get the car. Yeah, Mr. Bushcott. Oh yeah, we're going up. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. I see. The car too fine. Boy, it dirty now. It dirty. Yeah, it high. You know your flats. Yeah. Oh yeah, beku. Oh yeah, bebu. Hey, you beg a number or anybody will send something come. Now you know they go no say na illegal. They go no say na illegal. Hey, you say something come put for my address. If na good thing, you go receive good. If na bad, you want send come my address. What my hey? As somebody who know talk, ìgbìlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ máa gbọ́ màmí. Ọ̀fíà no gbàsán gbọ́ màmí. No mi plan ẹ̀ wò ló yẹ yẹn àmì mẹ́fìẹ́tì. Ọ̀fíà no gbàsán ra gbẹ̀rẹ̀ nù. Ìgbìlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ra gbẹ̀. It's your boy. Because some people not good though, then they plan wait me now. As soon as they plan wait me, I saw all of them use their head to carry with they plan. Because they target say oh na or ri an gwale ni aya mo wa mo eno hin ugwalati uya ti gwalo mo yo logo ma gwalo mo aya mo eke no ri aji. You define wetin you want to saga me, you define wetin you want to say put me for trouble. Now yourself you want put for trouble. Not be me. Because my hand clean. Go check my record here. Oh, but maybe you are clean. Since how many years? Almost half of my life here in Italy. I don't get anything still. So if you did that, you did plan to sting me. Who are you? I know so now don't see the tagger, the number of the car. Anything wanna plan bad. On our head when I will take carry on. Really cow high. Because many people they all there they come. They check. They don't they find me, they go. Go they find me. What to go they find me. I go along me. You like him. Ebianti oron me banya ya gwale dere da na hinsi ado koko no fo no e hegbe na wa the family they go why is it gwalo no so hu mistake where I show you number me ba mistake cause you don't put the social media trust nobody yeah gbale okay mo people am bu en de mo oda yo ade no here plan motor ogbe wa re no motor wa gbe wo de re no am come no plan me dada me that ni mo go me no cause the way ni ya we me here na ni bu na yan fie ba where you go na de no ko here yan fie odin I'm here con join una with una saga madness. One I go they throw one come they meet me. One Yeah, I feel like boy because so what come the one. And then one now big be again. Do what we come the one now we be a can. When I not use patience, take time money. When I can't go to use a TV with me. Why I go? Why I yet TV with me? Go now. Oh, why I had that TV go? Oh, yes, guess. Even though sin a shine. Yeah. For where? When I shine now. Made in where? Okay, PRC. But it's good. Now Pierre, ni name is guess. Now see na guess. See. Organo. No advert for personal use. No advert. Personal use. Personal use. I too like that song that year. I no copyright to any song, but I'm just singing. You wanna me? I can't keep one. Yeah, I can't keep that. Now this year I want to come out now. It's a leg. Yeah, makeup. I wait to makeup. Yeah, go live in Ajojo no man say. Yeah, we buy now. What we can have abandon project in 1950 something again. I even look. Yeah, go find waiting. I want to use some man. Okay, go find waiting. I want to use some. Oh, I too like the shoe. Hey, I too like the shoe. I go with that. Anyway, make one. Make one. I don't wear the shoe now. No, wear them again. Till further notice. Don't float car. Okay. Okay now. I was standing. I'm making I was swinging this in the I fucking video. Oh, I'm going to what's it? I did go where I did go where I know a boman. Yo. Mommy, what's here? When no, I see one thing. If I say I see some people they color. Mona see standing. One. This one they carry three also. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look we they go. 6. Hey. 7. You know stand there wakana. Yo, 7. Then inside that cupboard there, we have 5 short one. 5 short one here. 7. Then plus this one. This one, may I bring a comment? Plus this one. 7, 8. 8. Oh, come in. 8. Then upstairs we have 3. Almost how many standing? There are some clothes I have to wash this. Almost 20 standing. Ew! Amen. Ajo. Almost 20. This one I'm using now, I have the type upstairs. That pink with 3, I have it upstairs. So we have 3 upstairs. Because one single one, I don't like single one. I like double face. So as we talk just now, this shoe. Phew. And this shoe, now I'll use later. Let's see. This one are gloves. When they use for work. To work off. This one light one for kitchen. Or I want carry one kind thing for her side. You see, if you still use them. Not for working in garden, to carry something. So that's why I bought this one. The one I'm using in the garden, I have this one. Jordan with the cap now I want to use later. So. Hotel di Jordan. Hotel di Jordan. Now their hand are for the big size of me. So. Hotel di Jordan. Hotel di Jordan. Like a area. See, oye bofti. Oye bofti. Only this one, only this 2 complete. This complete alone. Who go fit guess how much it be? This one. See, my size is big. You see? You see? Wetin you dey do? I say na milk yo. E different though. Be like the thing where baby dey drink. Wetin you dey do? Wetin you dey drink? I say na milk yo. E different though. E be like the thing where baby dey drink. Oh, bata na j'aime moi. Squared. No advert, personal use. Personal use. Personal shoes. Personal. Personal. See. Very fake. You see, oh, I bobo me. When you hold down like this, it make bockish. Bockish for. Oh, bockish for. They do a feta for all this one. Now, see, 8 euro. I collect. See, a feta. That is a. Redrossion, maybe not tie. Redrossion. See, 8 euro, but they give me for 5. You see, this one not be. You see, now just as a guagua. So complete go come be 10 euro. If I not command the label, this thing just now because I know they like to command some. See, you see, do you changeable? Hey. Where were you? Oh, I didn't know. When I see something I like, I used to take it SS. This one, I took 2 complete. 2 complete. This one is XL My the 3 XL me if you want. My I can't take this army color. So, thank you. I can't take this army color because the trousers they are very free. That's why I love them. Even you see the price. I know the lie. See, very cheap. See, very cheap. And this one is just XL, but very big. You see it, very big. You see, very big, even though it's XL. Thank you. You where? Mommy, you did so. Where to drive? I don't understand. Baby, give me my lens to see. I think it's in the kitchen. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, don't worry. Let me use this one, the outing one. Don't worry, come. Me, I use this one since I'm here. I didn't know it was close to me here. This one. Well, okay. I want to come, mommy. You did so. I did. You know they see me. Oh well, mommy, you did so. I don't understand. Manu, check there. Are we live? I think yes. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. On phone there. We are to drive. Okay, Cash, you have to drive. Okay, now take care later. Bye bye. Are we still? What I'm saying is it showing there?
Yes, the video is playing.
Okay, because brother Prince of Yegi say, "Mommy, you did so. You did so." I don't understand whether I did. I don't understand. I did. Prince, no time my big brother. Oh, this one here, I serve there. Ekbozua. As an osigbu, as an equoro. Ajoki local government area. My uniform already. Yeah, I come. My local government, 18 and P road. Ezimo. As an equoro. Ozua. Ezozua. As an osigbu. As an ebieba. Yeah, I come. Go command for Ologbo Junction to Ajoki. I don't come. I do. Egbimo. Imo. Na no say get Imo village. Now we run out that year. The missus way run out that year. Don't come again. Oh. Hey. You know what I mean? See with the but no so me. No someone can, no someone new. Yo. Mama, we're shopping, man. Shopping. In Italy, we're shopping. I get you now. You couldn't later. Easy. Shopping. You really do shopping for me, or shopping. Oh, you are me. Man, no, you know, banana, no. My nose there, me. Yeah. I mean, he na me, one money, no, my video, no. Who they think of me good like this? My nose, they do me winning. They think of me. I love you all. If you are there, you are thinking good of me. You they think of me well. And they think of you too. Well, I'm a woman on my own. You're more one on my own. Because our mama Gbama Sanyo. Love is a shaki more than drink. Love is too sweet. Love the shark. love shark pass drink. So if you are there, you are thinking good of me, I am thinking good of you too. Yes. I want come out, I want go cook. I want cook with that shot of wetin they call am? Jordan. Hey, Hotel de Jordan. Now I want to cook. Like carry video na ni ki na ya si ko don we mana. Na yin we mana yin na be. Ana ye ko we do yo woga vana. Wa ya wa we se no wa mi agbadia. God bless you all as you were present. Those that will come later and present, God bless you all. No one will be left. We are all blessed in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. Etienne cow, Etienne irami ronwe, Etienne bokbanya yin. No lele me here. We are all blessed. And no, we are not going to saloba sonia bokbanya ye worrying. They ask yourself that one, no ask me. Now waiting I know I did talk. If no be a auntie any my guy in Norama, I will say, where God will you deserve? Where he did your house? He did everybody house. Jesus day, he did that side, he did. Jesus day, he did. Jesus day, he did. Luwa wambe, oh wow, Luwa wambe. Okay, hello, just wambe, oh wow. My hair need to brush. Don't mind me. Yes, wabe, oh wow. Yes, wabe, oh wow. Oh wow, oh wow. Oh wow, yes, wabe, oh wow. Yeah. Because they don't pass, no let me the screw again. Oh. Yes, wambe, oh wow. Yes, wabe, oh wow. Salobo aremana, oro. Aremana, oro. Salobo aremana, oro. Usalopwa to amen erunda o yetime yoriyome metinya we na me if I can wo ige me omo right from the one mokpaka we video usalopwa so this thing on the show me to amen yoriyome ya metinya we yeah smooth my hair this thing. Usalopwa to amen iyoriame ya mwetinya we yukutete bitene gogo ka onima kieke nima iwe negi ema hin egi eze gbe ima egi moto gbe ima si magahia. It's motor, it be led in. I don't be led. My home anything video. Laughing while you were marrying. See you guys on our next video. I said it before. See, the rain has started. It's raining already. So we come on this one. We place this one to cut the video. See you later on our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now. No, you only see it on your. Hey.